Hi, I'm Todd Wright from Notch CNC Machining, and we manufacture a aftermarket UHMW intake foot, which replaces your cast aluminum foot. We machine this out of a billet piece of virgin UHMW, so it starts out as a solid block of plastic. We manufacture 304 stainless grill bars, 304 stainless pins. These come in a variety of styles. You can get your stock intake. You can get your intake with built-in UHMW fins. And this is our hybrid model. So it's like your stock intake with your fins on there that are made out of aluminum, so they're easy replaceable, and it's a much more durable item. They come in 3 sizes: medium, large, and extra large. So if you're in the market and you're looking for something, check us out at topnotchcnc.com and send us an email.